Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 9, 2022. Evil Sudoku. Column H, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 6th grade, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will give me another 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column H, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Third grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 6. Column E, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 10th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8. 8th row, we already have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column J, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column D, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6, 9. 7th grade. And 9th row, we have 2, 6, 9. Then 3 numbers can't come the cell. In the cell, it will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, we have pair numbers, 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column F, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have pair numbers, 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. it will come in another 2 cells. Fifth row, we already have 8, so it can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, column G, and 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row and 7th row, column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B and 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 7th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th row, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column C, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 9th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 7th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 7th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.